Hello, Class 4-1 Orange Group. Mr. Waterman here with this morning's Language Arts lesson in Period 1 on Thursday, September 2nd, 2021. Today, we are going to have our grammar lesson. We are in our grammar workbooks on page 55. We are looking at rule number 14. Verb tenses. Please listen and read along. The tense of a verb tells when an action occurs. Let's look at the meanings and some examples. Present. The action is happening now. Example sentence. I am eating peanut butter and toast for breakfast. The next one is past. The action already happened. Look at the example sentence. I ate cereal with banana for breakfast yesterday. Finally, look at the third one. Future. The action is going to happen. Tomorrow, I will eat eggs and bacon. Please remember, when we talk about an action in the future tense, we need to use the word will with the verb. Pretty easy to remember, don't you think? Let's turn the page and practice with some of our activities. This is on page 56. Pick the tense. It says to write present, past, or future for each sentence. Please listen carefully as I read each of the sentences. 1. Frank will fly his kite tomorrow. 2. Penny is outside flying her kite. 3. Pat flew her kite yesterday. 4. Learn this new dance step with me. 5. We will learn the new dance step later. 6. We learned that dance step already. Next, I am cooking hamburgers. I will cook the hamburgers in 20 minutes. The hamburgers were cooked 20 minutes ago. Let's do one example together. Let's look at the first sentence. Frank will fly his kite tomorrow. This is the future tense. Future. F-U-T-U-R-E. We know it's the future tense because the word will comes before the verb. Please do the others on your own. After that, please look at page 57. For this page, you need to rewrite the tense. For part A, it says to rewrite this sentence in the present tense and the past tense. So we have the future tense with this sentence. Greg will paint a picture in art class. Change this sentence into the present tense and write it here for number 1. Change this sentence into the past tense and then write that here for number 2. For part B, rewrite this sentence in the present tense and future tense. Anne worked at a restaurant. Change this sentence into the present tense and write it here for number 1. Then you're going to change it into the future tense and write it here for number 2. For part C, it says to rewrite this sentence in the future tense and the past tense. Hayden is mailing a letter. So this is the present tense. Change this sentence into the future tense and please write it for number 1. Then change it into the past tense and write it here for number 2. Take your time and do this now. Be careful with your spelling and remember capital letters and full stops. Okay? When you're finished with page 57, turn to the last page. Write a past tense story. It says to write a story about something you did yesterday. Use verbs in the past tense. So remember, past tense story, write about something you did yesterday, and use verbs in the past tense. Okay? Please listen to my example. Yesterday, I shopped at the grocery store. I walked home with my groceries. I washed my hands when I got home. I cooked stir-fry pork for dinner. I drank a lot of water because it was spicy. I watched television after dinner. I went to sleep at 10 p.m. Now, my story was all in the past tense. Please do the same for your story. Okay? Take your time and complete these activities. After that, you are done. Very short grammar lesson this week. Okay? Take your time with it. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Class Dojo, or you can always email me. And remember, if you don't have your grammar workbook at home with you, that's okay. You can find the PDF for the pages that you need next to the video. Also, please remember, if you are sending me completed work, please email it to me, okay? Remember to bring everything to school with you when school opens again, okay? Because I need to give you credit for the work. And I want to say thank you to all of the students in 4-1 Orange who have completed their homework and who have sent it to me every day. I really appreciate that. I know it's not easy for you to do at times, but this is the best that we can do since we are studying online. And I want you all to get as much credit as you possibly can. I hope to see you all very, very, very soon. We have a busy day today and a busy day tomorrow in language arts, so get ready. And remember, to have a wonderful day studying, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Goodbye for now.